tools. This is the internal weld tester, or what we call the IWT. Now, on first glance, it looks like a updated version of that 1990s tool with two seals and an annulus in between, but there are a couple of very significant differences and changes that will really create value for you as the user. Number one, you will notice, is in this whole style of tools, from the smallest right up to 12-inch, it is one centering nut. You do not have an entire set of bolts that you need to compress evenly to try to center the tool and to try to compress the seal evenly. It's one central nut. Beyond 12 inches, it's a hydraulic nut that replaces that one activation nut. So that's the first simple, easy thing. It's much faster and much more effective to center and to install. The second thing that is significantly different about this tool is it combines initial compression and self-energization. What is different about this tool is the inner compression plates are not part of the body of the tool. They actually float and have an inner O-ring, so that as you introduce hydrostatic pressure into the test area, that hydrostatic test medium presses on those inner compression plates, pressure energizing the seals. And so this tool is designed to be primarily a schedule-specific tool, but also medium and high pressure. So anything from a low pressure 500-pound hydrotest right up to 5,000 and 6,000 pounds of hydrostatic pressure, this tool can get the job done. It installs quickly. It always gets a seal on high pressure applications. And its ease of use means that with a simple one-page 5-step procedure, any of your people can use this tool quickly without any need for a special training class. It's literally a tool and a simple process to accomplish low, medium, and high pressure tests in one tool. There's a couple of other unique advantages of the tool as well. The entire seal assembly, because it sits on one central shaft, the seals are modular, meaning that for one tool body, 2 to 3 different pipe sizes are available and all of the pipe schedules in between. Why is this valuable? Well, this tool can be interchanged with different pipe schedules or even different sizes to be able to capture a reducing fitting or to address and seal across a transition and still have that self-energizing nature and self-centerizing tool. So the IWT is just a fantastic tool, high performance, easy to use, low, medium, and high pressure. What does that mean? It means you can get the job done quickly. You can self-perform a lot of these tests with a rental or a purchase tool, and it is just easy to install because of that self-centering nature of the IWT. Just a fantastic tool that incorporates modularization, self-centering, and pressure energizing to give you just a really great high-performing tool compared to some of the technology from the past.